This is page 18 in your binder. So, we're going to talk about vertical and horizontal lines. The equation for a vertical line is x equals a number. Vertical lines are undefined because they're up and down. And for this graph, the equation will be x equals 1, 2. It's on the 2, and an x goes up and down. X equals 2. For a horizontal line, the equation is y equals. Horizontal lines have zero slope because they're straight across. And the equation for the graph would be y equals 1, 2, 3, 4, -4. So all we're going to do is look at the graph and write the equation. So this first one, it's up and down, and the dot is on. So this is my x line, this is my y line. Since the dot is on the x line, it's going to be x equals, it's at -5. This same dot is on the x line, x equals 1. This one, the dot is on the y line, so y equals -2. I need you to do 4, 5, and 6 on your own. When you're done, flip over to the next page, page 19. So this is page 19. So my equation is y equals -3. That tells me the dot is going to be on the y line, which is up and down. So -3, I'm going to put a dot right there. And when you put a dot on the up and down line, you draw your graph side to side. X is 7. Well, this is my x line. That's not going to work. I'm going to make it a 6. So I'm going to put a dot on the 6. And because it's on that x line, I got to draw my line up and down. X is -1. Okay, x line is side to side. Put a dot right there. And then I do kind of the opposite and draw it up and down. I need you to draw the graph for 10, 11, and 12. When you're done, I need you to watch this next video. You do not have this paper, so you can either print it out and do this on a piece of paper, take a picture of it and get it to me. You can take a screenshot and write on it and do it that way. However you want to do this, but this is what we're doing. So I have to plot 2 points, -6, 5, and remember everything, that's too fat, in this box is positive. Everything in this one is negative, positive, negative, negative, positive, negative. So when we graph, remember these are our x's, these are our y's, these are side to side, and these are always up and down. So -6, -5, it's going to be in this quadrant right there. So first I go over -6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I'm going to go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to put a dot right there. Okay, 3, 1. They're both positive, so they're going to be over here in this one. So first I got to go over 3. 1, 2, 3, and up 1. All right, this is the hardest part, connecting the dots on a line. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add an extra dot for you right there. So, first thing is you do is you're going to graph it. The second step is we're going to find the M and the B. Remember, the M is our rise over run. So, I'm going to look at this dot and that dot. My rise is 1, 2. So I rise 2, and I'm going to run 1, 2, 3. And that's a positive slope. Remember, rise and run that way is negative. Rise and run that way is positive. Positive slope. My B is where the dot is on the up and down line. So it's right there. That is at -1. So now I'm going to write my equation. Y equals m 2 over 3x plus -1. All right, now the last step, I want you to go down to the bottom part. On the bottom section, I'm going to tell you which one I need you to solve, and I would like to see your work. And if you do it right, when you solve it, it should match this. So I'm solving B. 2x minus 3y equals 3. Okay, the first thing we do is move the x. We're going to subtract 2x. You'll either add or subtract the x. That goes away. -3y equals 3 minus 2x. The next thing we do is divide by the number in front of the y. That marks out. Y equals 3 divided by -3 is -1. -2 divided by -3. 2 negatives make a positive. 2 over 3x. Hope you can see that. All right, and now the last step is to flip this stuff around. So, let's write in a pen. Y equals, I'm going to write the 2 over 3x first, and I can write plus -1 or -1 either way. So those are the 3 parts I need you to do. I'm going to flip over and show you the next worksheet. You're going to have to do 2 of these on your own. All right, I'm going to give you a couple hints. You're going to do this paper on your own, just like I did the last one. You're just going to start with different points, so you'll have different answers. When you do it, I'm going to go ahead and tell you that your B, where the line is going to cross, is at 4. So you'll have 2 points, but where it crosses that X line is going to be at 4. And then the one I need you to solve is x plus y equals 4. Don't do these. Okay? So do this page. When you're done, I have one more page for you that's just like this to do. On this page, you'll do the exact same thing. You'll just plot some different points. When your line crosses the y line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it'll be at -7. And the problem down here I need you to solve is the D one. All right, when all that is done, turn it into me. Thank you.